Okay, hello friends. So, today we're going to be doing, drum roll please. Today we're going to be doing 31 plus 17. First, we're going to be doing 1 plus 7. You can pause the video and think, what do you think 7 plus 1 is? You can pause if you don't have time, so I'm just going to wait. Okay, so the answer is 8. If you didn't get that, that's okay, but we always learn, but if you did get it correct, good job. So now we're going to do the same thing with 3 plus 1. So what do you think the answer is? You can pause the video if you don't have time. So I'm just going to wait. Okay, so the answer is 4. Again, if you didn't get it correct, that's okay. We do learn. So the answer is 48. Thanks for watching. Bye.